Hey you guys, it's your boy Tyler Odin from Affiliate.watch. In today's video, we're going to be going over one of the best YouTube affiliate programs. I'm going to show you how one affiliate made $265,000 in 4 years. I'm going to be going over the product itself as well as the affiliate program and showing you how to sign up. If you don't know what Affiliate.watch is, it's a platform I'm working on where you can come here and find the best referral and affiliate programs in the world. We also have an app in the Google Play Store that's currently #1 in the world for the keyword affiliate. In today's video, we're going to be going over Tubebuddy, which is used by over 3 million YouTube creators. The affiliate program pays 30 to 50% reoccurring commission. The cookie length is very good. It's 365 days. The minimum payout is $10 and they pay out via PayPal. The company launched in 2015 and has quickly taken the market by storm, and almost all the big YouTubers are using this tool, and they're also making a lot of money on the affiliate program. If you don't know who Roberto Blake is, he's a very popular YouTuber, and his #1 affiliate program where he makes money off of is Tubebuddy. You can see his commissions right here in this video. In the last 4 years, he's made $265,000. This month he made $7,249. So this affiliate program is very good because the YouTubers will tend to use it month after month in its reoccurring commission. They do have a free product and they also have a paid product. The free product has limited features and it works with Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Microsoft Edge, and they also have an app in the Play Store as well as the Apple Store. And we'll go over some of the features such as the advanced keyword research. You can cut your publishing time in half. You can rank higher in the search results with their keyword tools. You can easily share your videos to multiple social networks. And this is just a very small amount of their features. If we go to their features page, you can see they have so many different features. We'll just go over a few of them in this video. So they have advanced video embedding. They have canned responses, which is very helpful. So say you get a lot of different comments, you can easily write canned responses and easily reply to all of them with the same responses. You can set different card templates and then easily apply it to your new uploads. They have comment filters, so you can easily manage your comments. So you can see who you haven't replied to, who you have replied to, etc., etc. They also have a lot of video SEO features, they have a lot of promotion features, and they have a lot of data and research features. They have about like 100 features total. Some of them are for the paid product and some of them are for the free product, but you can try it out for free. I will leave the link down below to get started. This is their pricing. So you can see their pro plan is about $7.20. Their star plan is $15.20 and their legend plan is $39.20, and you'll be making 30 to 50% reoccurring commission off of those. And then you can also see what features are included in what plan on the pricing page. You can see right here it's used by over 3 million YouTube creators and brands. This is the affiliate program page. If you want to sign up to the affiliate program, it's super easy. It's an independent program, so it's not listed on any affiliate network, and you can literally just sign up and get started and get approved. There's no approval process. You don't have to wait 3 days, 5 days, or any of that nonsense. It's very, very easy to get started, which is very good for affiliates. This is what their dashboard looks like. So you can set a custom link, and then you can put a PayPal email you want them to pay you out to. And then just so you guys can see how you get to 40 and 50% commission, because you start on 30% commission. So if you get 50 people to install it, you will get 40% commission, and they will give you 1 year for free on the star plan. If you get 250 people to install Tubebuddy, and remember guys, these are not people who signed up and paid for their pro plan, simply just installed it. So if you get 250 people, you will get 50% commission. And on top of that, they will give you a free lifetime legend plan, which is really, really cool. Here you'll be able to see all your different stats, how many clicks, how many installs, how many purchases, and what your payments are for last month, this month, and lifetime. I don't have any clicks yet because I literally just launched this on Affiliate.watch. They have a lot of different resources and marketing material for affiliates. So you can see all the different assets here, all the logos you can use on your website, as well as all the banners, all the stuff you can use for Facebook news feeds, cover photos, event images, etc., etc. They also have a lot of marketing material for Twitter, Instagram, as well as LinkedIn. They also have a lot of different tricks and tips for you. So if you want to run paid ads, they show you exactly how to do that on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, and LinkedIn. They also provide social media strategies, as well as a general strategy, an Instagram strategy, a Facebook strategy, a Twitter strategy, a LinkedIn strategy. So overall, I think this affiliate program is very good, especially if you're a YouTuber who's teaching other YouTubers, etc., because there's a lot of YouTubers out there and they could all use this tool. And it's a free tool, so it's very easy to get people started. And once they see that the free plan works very well, they're more likely to update to the paid plan. And on top of that, they will pay you reoccurring commissions. So overall, I highly recommend this affiliate program. I will leave the link down below. If you guys have any questions about the affiliate program, just leave it down below. And if you want to check out more affiliate programs, please check out my website, affiliate.watch, and as well as my app in the Play Store, Affiliate Watch. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day. Peace out.